Guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here, Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous, freshly restored 1950 GMC Stepside pickup. Finished in teal. Really pops with a white and teal interior. Nice big Stout Grille. Everything on this truck is brand new. Sitting on Staggered American Racing wheels. Nice big deep dish on these too. So we got P245 40 R20s. Highly polished in the back as well. These are P245 40 R20s as well. Disc brakes all the way around. Air conditioning, power steering, oak bed, stainless runners. Really finish it off nicely. Everything is brand new. Killer stance on this truck. Super nice. Absolutely no corners cut. Done right by the pros. Collector owned. This truck really screams Americana in these colors. Inside we got a brand new interior. Brand new everything. Carpet, new rubbers. Two-tone. Really brings out the colors. Love the white headliner. Against this teal, it's just killer. All brand new wiring. Tilt wheel, brand new stereo system. Looks like Lokar Pedals, Ididit column, classic instrument gauges. 600 miles on the build. Air conditioning actually blows right through these two vents here. Got the switches in the glove. It keeps the dash nice and clean. .57 under the hood. She is new. That's what's giving you that stance there. Billet steering wheel, highly polished, wrapped in leather. General Motors Performance Crate Motor. It's a 350 5.7 liter. Air conditioning, power steering, power brakes with a distribution block. Electronic ignition. It's a 650 Holley over here with electronic choke. headers leading out to dual exhaust. They're Shorties, ceramic coated. Smooth Firewall. Chrome booster. Use your power steering unit. Nice big aluminum radiator with an electric fan and a shroud. Comes on with temp control. GM Performance high rise manifold. It is pretty. Underneath is just as nice as the top. Again, sitting on a C10 frame. Guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Michael from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also take out more pictures on our main website, weebyautos.com. And I'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.